All Pro Roof Stone Atlas provides dependable metal roofing repair services for homes and businesses in Allentown, PA. Our team focuses on identifying the source of the problem and delivering practical repair solutions that help protect your property from water damage, structural issues, and costly future repairs. Call our metal roofing repair team if you have any questions. Are you looking for a metal roofing repair near me? You can stop looking. You found the All Pro Roof Stone Atlas. Can rust on a metal roof be fixed? In many cases, yes. Minor rust spots can often be cleaned, treated, sealed, and coated to help prevent further corrosion. If rust has caused severe panel deterioration, panel replacement may be needed. Can a metal roof leak even if it looks fine from the outside? Yes. Small issues like worn sealant, loose seams, or tiny punctures may not be obvious but can still allow water to enter. A professional inspection can detect hidden problems early. What is your service area for Allentown, Pennsylvania? Our metal roofing repair has helped clients in Allentown, Fogelsville, Trexlertown, East Texas, Wescosville, Emmaus, Ancient Oaks, Macungie, Albertus, Brennigsville, Shimerville, Zionsville, Mertztown, Maxitani, Lehigh County, Laurie's Station, Dorneyville, New Tripoli, Egypt, Schnecksville, Pennsylvania. Where is your metal roofing repair in Allentown, Pennsylvania located? We are located at 429 Southwest Street, Allentown, Pennsylvania 18106. Our phone number is 484-806-0911. Visit our website, www.approofer.com/Allentown-PA.